Hello friends, welcome to Exam Tricks. In the previous videos, we learned tricks to remember fundamental rights from Article 14 to 22, and in this video, we will try to learn a trick to remember the articles Right Against Exploitation, Article 23 and 24, and the articles from Right to Freedom of Religion, that are from Article 25 to 28. Right Against Exploitation contains two articles. Article 23 that prohibits traffic in human being and forced labor, while Article 24 contains the provisions related to employment of children below 14 years of age in hazardous employments. To remember these two articles, I have formed a sentence that exploitation of women and children still happens. And don't worry, I will connect this sentence to the sentences that I have formed for previous articles. Moving forward to right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion has four articles from Article 25 to Article 28. Article 25 provides us freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Here we have taken keyword conscience, or take con from it. From the word conscience, remember the word con. Moving ahead, Article 26 provides freedom to manage religious affairs, and keyword here is manage, and take man out of manage, and remember this. Again, Article 27 gives us freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Remember the keyword tax here. Article 28, freedom as to attendance at religious instructions or religious worship in certain educational institutions, and keyword here is attendance. Taking all these keywords, I have formed a sentence that is, con man evades tax attendance. We know that con man are scamsters. They try to not give taxes, and they try to evade taxes. So I have formed this sentence so that you remember the articles. Taking the keywords, conscience gives us con, manage gives us man. I have taken the word tax and attendance as from the keyword mentioned there. So trick is simply con man evades tax attendance. Now to connect this trick and the above mentioned trick for Article 23 and 24, just remember the trick I have provided for Article 14 to 22. The trick was the sentence law removes doubt, means equality, right to equality, equality before law. Then doubt gives us discrimination, right against discrimination. O is for opportunity, and U is for untouchability, and then T is for titles. Again gives 6 freedoms, means Article 19, which contains 6 freedoms. And clear protection against government, then clear protection C gives us conviction in certain offences, protection from it. Then L gives us life and liberty. E is for right to education. A is for arrest and detention. This gives us articles 21, article 20, article 21 and article 22, as well as article 21A. Then I have added the sentence, but exploitation of women and children still happens, and this is for article 23 and 24. So here we have got from article 14 to article 24, law removes doubt, gives 6 freedoms and clear protection against government, but exploitation of women and children still happens. This sentence is making some sense when you will try to remember something. If something makes sense, you will remember it easily. Then for article 25 to 28, the trick which I formed, that conman evades tax attendance, I have added here, and conman uses it to evade tax attendance. Sometimes we know that conmen use use law according to their wishes and manipulate it to evade tax attendance. So in these sentences can be used to remember articles 14 to article 24. However, you must not rely on this trick totally and read the fundamental rights from any of the textbook or any other source in detail, so that you know all the details of the articles which I have not mentioned here. This trick is just to help you in the exams to recall the articles, so that if something is asked, for example, you are not able to recall if managed tax or manage religious affairs was in article 26. This trick will help you in this, in remembering the articles serially. Hope the trick helps you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.